Hey kiddos, so I just wanted to send a video of how to access your online textbook. Even though we did it in class, I wanted you to have a resource within your email or wherever you want to save this video to help remind you of how to access the book. If you want a hard copy textbook because you don't want to mess around with the internet or navigating Big Ideas Math online, just let me know and I'm happy to check you out a textbook for you to keep at home. So first of all, go ahead and go to osbornemath6.weebly.com. Hopefully you have this bookmarked and it's easy to access. I also recommend bookmarking the online textbook. So once we're here, this has a helpful homework calendar, kind of lets you know what we're doing in class in case you were absent or in case you forget. So on Big Ideas Math, the textbook will be accessible through each of these pages, except I'm going to click on Chapter 4 just so I can show you that I've added some helpful videos for each of our learning targets for this chapter. So you can see here there's lots of great resources. If you click Big Ideas Math, that's the easiest place to actually find the textbook. So there's a button here that you can click on and it'll transfer you to a separate other page. And yours might look a little bit different than mine just because I'm signing in as a teacher. But you always want to sign in with Clever. And it's going to prompt you to enter in some of your login information that might already be saved. But you want to make sure that you bookmark this page and save it in a good spot so it's easy to access. So once you get to that page, you're going to click on the Big Ideas Math. It's going to be two diamonds. One's green, one's blue. And it's going to bring you to a page that looks kind of like this, but it's not exactly the same. You're actually going to have this ebook button, the Student Dynamic ebook button, and it's going to be up here in this top left-hand corner. And you'll have a whole screen full of different resources that you can use, but this one is going to be how we access the textbook. Once you click on that, it's going to pull up a page that has all of the textbooks that are available to you, which is only going to be this green one. Again, this is from my login, so I have more access to more textbooks. You're just going to click on the green one that's available to you. And then once that loads, you're going to have a couple of different options that you can use to navigate this textbook. You can go through page by page. Mine always leaves off where I left off before. You can also go through the contents and click on Chapter 4 and then 4.1. And this will also lead you to a variety of the lessons that we did, the notes that we took, the vocabulary that we had. And on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see that you can zoom in and zoom out. You can't see it on my screen right now, but you can actually navigate the entire page. Your homework starts on page 156. So at the top there, I typed in page 156, and you can see now that I have all the problems that I need, and I can go to the previous page, or on the right side of this screen, I can go to the next page. I hope this was helpful. I'm also going to include screenshots of these pages just in case you forgot to check out a book and are having a hard time logging in. So good luck, and please come see me if you have any questions. Your homework for 4.1 is due tomorrow, as well as the front of your MathMates Sheet 1 for quarter 3. All right, have a great night.